Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Pictory to create automated video summaries. So first of all, go ahead and get started for free, right? Start for free, and you can log in without using any credit card or debit card for that matter. So I'm gonna use my own account, right? Please be aware that you can only sign up using or continue using a Google account, right? Now, if you want to create video summaries, you can see right here the tools at the top to create a video, all right? So if you want to create automated video, you can go ahead right here and click text to a video, right? And of course, you're gonna type in your prompt. So in my case, I'm gonna go ahead and type something like script for AI automated video short, so I can keep it concise, right? Surprising truth about productivity, right? So I'm gonna copy this script, right? And then I'm gonna go ahead to Pictory, right? And then I could go ahead and click proceed right here at the top right. Okay, now all you gotta do now is just wait, right, until the videos and visuals and everything set up. You're gonna be able to see the final results, and based on the script you can basically limit how many minutes for this exact video, for example, right? So based on that script or based off that script, you can generate a video that can be concise, short, and attention-grabbing video. So as you can see, you will see the final result of the video, and now they're preparing for video preview. But so and it's gonna, it's not gonna take a while. So we're gonna wait, and then we're gonna be able to see the final results. And if you like what you see, you can just hit download right here at the top, right? So we're gonna wait for a few moments right here, and as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to see the video, length, which is minute. So basically that's it, right? You can hit download right here if you want to download or edit in storyboard. So that's another comment if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.